So hi everyone, I wanted to talk with you just a few minutes about Unit 1, which is on intrapersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the kind of communication that we have with ourselves. It's really important that we study the way we talk to ourselves because we can either be our greatest friend or our worst enemy. So in this unit, we're going to be talking about the growth mindset and also about grit. This is about positioning ourselves to be in the right frame of mind, to persevere, and to dig deep when the going gets tough, just like it always is when you're in an academic environment. The other part of the unit is about reframing negative self-talk. Sometimes we get into our heads and talk to ourselves in a way that is not productive. We spend time working through the negative parts of ourselves and beating ourselves up at the expense of building ourselves up. So that part of the unit is about flipping that script, imagining how to talk to yourself in a productive, meaningful way. So I hope that you enjoy this unit. I find that this particular unit is one of the most transformative ones in the course. So enjoy.